Pretty gross because there's a whole bunch of flies. But there's this dead possum in my backyard, and it's full of babies. I got one so far. I have to get them out so they don't die. And there's a whole bunch of them, and these flies are disgusting. And they're attached to, they're in this pouch, and they're trying to nurse, and I need them to come out so they don't die. See, they don't want to come out. Let go! Let go! Let go, little guy. They don't want to come out at all. Let go! Let go! Okay, fine. There's 3 so far. You guys can stay in there. I need somebody else to let go. Oh my God, there's so many. Let go! Let go! Let go! They don't want to let go. Oh my gosh, you gotta let go, little guy. Let go! Let go! This is so disgusting. Oh wait, one got out. Where's the other then? There's 3. Shit, there it is. Okay. 3 so far. Come on, let go! Let go! Let go! Oh my God, let go! It does not want to let go. Let go of your mommy. She's dead. Okay, I got 4, 5. Let go. Seriously, you gotta let go. Let go! See how hard it's holding on? It won't let go. Let go! 6. Oh God, there's more, and they're dead. Ew, there's a dead one in there. Ew. Oh God, it's not dead. 7. Oh God, I think that's it. This is the most disgusting thing I've had to do in a really long time. Oh God, this thing is so gross and so dead. Okay, that's all of them. There's 7 of them. How cute are you guys? Okay, we're going inside.